Our product structures are huge and very difficult to manage. So introducing demand-driven has been the key to improve our supply chain management. Hello, my name is Ignacio Elizazu. I'm head of planning in SAPA Transmission. We are a company located in the north of Spain, in the Basque Country, and we design and produce automatic transmissions for heavy vehicles. So 4 years ago, we started the operational transformation here in SAPA. We produce automatic transmissions, and our product structures are huge and very difficult to manage. So introducing demand-driven has been the key to improve our supply chain management. During these 4 years, we have had some great major results. We have improved in more than 20% our inventory levels. We have also improved the number of stockouts that we have had in more than 40% less. And also we have improved the planning time. So this is great for us. If you want to know the full story, please join us in the Demand Driven World in Frankfurt, October 17.